Hey everybody, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of my two new hand-stitched leather T covers that I just received. So let's get into it. I have not seen these yet. Oh. Alright. We'll start with this one. You get a little hand-stitched leather tag. So pretty, nice little bag. This is the sienna. There is the sienna. I did ask Tanya for smooth with some texture, so I did ask for specifics. Here we go. It's an A6 folio for the Hobonichi Hibino size. I like the wider spine, so it would fit everything that I put in my planners. It's the front side loading pocket, nip closure. Oh, two inner pockets, a slide, simple slide, and no back pocket. She is gorgeous, gorgeous. And then we have, so this is going to be, I know, myrtle. Oh, gorgeous. Again, you get the little tag and a nice little bag. So here is the sienna and the myrtle. I've had two myrtles. One was TN with strings. It was very pebbly. It was beautiful. And then I had one that was more smooth like this with some texture, and that's what I asked for, and they are spot on. This is perfect. Same style. A6 for the, we'll go over those. A6 for the Hibino, and I always do the same layout. Oh, they smell delightful. Perfection. So here is the, they're beautiful. And here's a little freebie. Oh, it just slides out. Isn't that oh, look at that. Oh, I love that. Little keychain. Their card. I don't know why I'm way over there. Their card. Oh, pretty. And little charms. Beautiful. Thank you guys so much. You ladies are amazing. And then here, I can only assume, I did ask for several samples for my next order because I wanted to kind of step outside of what I normally would order. Okay, we have, let's see, prosciutto, bricato, pretty, mocha. Oh, yes. Ooh, she's soft. I love that. Oh, it's beautiful. Foresta. Ooh, pretty, pretty. Very similar. Not exactly, but very similar. And then olive. Ooh, again, gorgeous. I just needed to feel them. And then this, I can't see the basil. Basil. Gorgeous. Ooh, they're just beautiful. Thank you guys so much. If you have not owned one of these, you need to. Thank you.